Bates Security is your first and only call for all your security and safety needs, with solutions you can access every minute of every day. Custom-designed security systems to protect you from burglary, theft, and intruders. Advanced video surveillance that gives you a live look anytime, along with remote recording. Managed access control, so you can instantly grant or remove access for individual employees and areas. Fire detection, to safeguard lives and property, with individually designed systems that protect your people and your facility. Bates Security is your single source for security, surveillance, access control, and fire safety. So the next step is simple. Call for a free consultation. Resources, commitment, and 35 years of local experience. Bates Security.